So you want to sell an online course, but you're overwhelmed. You think that it's going to be way too hard, too tech intensive. Maybe you think you're not smart enough. But what if I told you in 2025 that it's actually easier than ever, but you've got to have a proven path to follow? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So by the end of it, you can create your own online course. We've won the school games. We've made millions of bucks selling online courses, and we've helped thousands of people do that as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 things that you need to have in place to make this really easy so that you can start creating courses after this video today. Okay, first of all, you need a product. But honestly, don't overthink this. And everybody does that, so just don't. The most important thing is that your product should solve one specific problem, not a bunch of stuff. Don't take people all over the place. Just keep it really, really focused. So for example, maybe you're creating a course on how to be a parent. That's pretty broad. Remember, we want it to be like one specific problem. So instead of just how to be a better parent, you'd create a course that's like how to help your toddler, walk better, or maybe how to get your toddler to take a nap without having a complete meltdown. All right. So you see how it's more specific, right? And when it's simple and specific, it's going to sell way better. All right, so let's imagine you don't know what to teach. You've got some expertise, but you're still just kind of on the fence of what to teach. Well, you can look at what people are asking you all the time. What do people come to you all the time asking you, hey man, I need your help with this. You're so good at this. That's a big key right there. You can also look through questions online. If you got ChatGPT, which you should, you can go on there and ask it, what are people buying right now in terms of online courses? Okay, what are they spending money on specifically, and prove this to me too. Okay, that's what you'd want to say to ChatGPT. You can also just listen as you're out and about and like, oh man, I keep hearing people having a problem with this. This can sometimes be, the hard part of it, trying to figure it out. And if you need help with that, I've actually got a free school community. Just go down in the description. There's a free mini course in there. I break it all down for you. So here's the cool thing. Today makes it real easy. Back in the day, you needed a fancy website, fancy funnel. You had to connect like all these things together just to get a sale. I just use Skool. You can check it out for free. You can see what it looks like. You don't have to buy anything. It's just down in the description. And if you need help with this, go down in the comments and be like, all right, I'm confused about the stuff you've talked about so far. Ask your question because I read all those and then that helps me make my next video. Let's assume that you got your course together, okay? Or you should just have a blueprint. You don't want to build it first. That's a huge mistake people make is they go coming up with an idea, then they try to build the course, and then they waste all this time. They don't even know if anybody wants to buy it. All you're trying to do is come up with a course idea, and then you're gonna lay out what that course looks like. And I show you exactly how to do this. You just go to the link down in the description. There's a free mini course there. Let's assume that you have your blueprint. Now we wanna prove and validate, is this actually a good course? Is it gonna sell? So we need to get people in front of it. We need to get traffic. So one thing that you can do is you can do like a weekly workshop, or if you want to speed it up, do 3 workshops a week. This is just a free Zoom that you do. All right, you're going to get people to come onto it. And where would you get people? Well, just like you're watching me, probably on YouTube most likely, which is where I'd tell you to go. That's where you're going to want to go and serve your audience, be valuable to them. They're going to find you. They're going to watch videos just like you're doing right now. So obviously it works. And then you're going to get them to come to your free workshop. I do this as well. And you can join mine to kind of see how it works, see what to do by watching it. And it's free. So that's nice. Just go to the link in the description. Again, the thing that I've noticed is when you go to create content, you want to use this simple formula: hook, story, action. In the beginning of this video, I did a hook to get you to watch this thing. Now we've went through the story part, or the here's what to do part. Okay, the value part. And then you've heard me throughout this video give you subtle calls to action to go down in the description and go to my school. Same thing that you would do, just do what I'm doing. To get the traffic, the biggest thing is you need to do quantity, then you'll get better, and you can do less quantity and you'll have more quality. That's gonna get you more traffic. But what kind of videos are you gonna do? I would do videos that start out, if you've been frustrated with this, watch this video, I'll show you 5 ways to fix it. Just think of lists. If you're struggling with X, watch this video, and by the end, you'll know how to do that, and I've got a gift for you. That gift is get them over into your free community. Okay? Get them over to your workshop where you're gonna break it all down for them. You'll generate a lead, you'll have somebody to talk to, they'll help you with your next piece of content. But all the content that you need to create is already laying out there, telling you exactly what to do to create it. You just gotta go know how to mine for that gold. Another thing I teach you in the course. So at the end of the day, you're going to be creating content that serves the exact problem that you're solving. You'll just do as much content about that problem as possible. You make money when you solve problems, and when you do your content, hook them in the beginning, give them the value, and then at the end, ask them to comment down below to get more information, tell them to ask questions, tell them to go to your course. Now, we've had a lot of people, they'll come up with a course idea and then they'll just do these free workshops. You can use a whiteboard, you can use Loom, you can use anything that you can use to get your point across, essentially. You don't have to overthink this, keep it simple. But they'll basically come up with a course idea. Sometimes they'll set up like a school because they get a 14-day free trial. You can go down, again, link in the description, you can do all that stuff. When they do that, they'll get people into their community and then they'll just do workshops and they'll get people to come. And there won't be a lot, obviously, when you get started. I mean, you're just getting started, but if you can get a couple people in front of it, the thing that you're trying to do is to get 5 people to raise their hand. So I know you want to sell your course for a lot of money and make a lot of money and everything, but if you can get people to spend $20, $30, $40 to buy your program, and they can be like a founding member, that's kind of the perk of it. And they also get to build it with you. So these are huge perks that they get. If you can get people to raise their hand with money, then you validated your course idea, and then you can slowly increase the price as it gets better. As you redo it, you're off into the races, okay? Again, I can't obviously show you everything that I need to show you, but that's why I created that mini course. Go check it out. Hope you got some value from this. And again, down in the comments, I don't know what you need help with or what stage you're at in this, but you can tell me by using the comments. Ask questions. And look, if this is valuable to you, it'll probably be valuable to somebody else. So hit the like button. You can subscribe because this is what I talk about. And if you're into it, you'll learn more and know when a new video comes out. But if you like it, it helps this video go out to more people just like you that got help from it just like you did. Okay, I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video. And there's a video popping on the screen here right now that'll go deeper into another part of this. And that's what this channel is all about. All right, I'll see you in the next video.